Are you hitting the gym consistently, but not seeing the results you want? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll break down the top reasons why your fitness routine might not be working and, more importantly, how to fix it to achieve your goals. One of the biggest mistakes is not tracking your progress. You need to log your workouts, weights, and reps so you can make sure you're consistently improving. Without tracking, you won't know if you're truly making gains. Start using a fitness app or notebook to track your progress. This will keep you motivated and ensure you're pushing yourself each week. Exercise is only part of the equation. What you eat plays a massive role in how your body responds. If you're not fueling your body properly, all that effort at the gym could be going to waste. Focus on a balanced diet that includes enough protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Meal prep or plan your meals to stay on track. Overtraining without giving your body time to recover is a huge reason why progress stalls. Muscles grow when you rest, not while you're training. Make sure to get enough sleep and incorporate rest days into your routine. Also, try active recovery methods like stretching or foam rolling. If you're doing the same exercises with the same weights, your body will eventually adapt and stop making progress. Push yourself by increasing the weight, reps, or intensity of your workouts. Keep challenging your body so it doesn't get too comfortable. The biggest key to success is consistency. If you're skipping workouts or only showing up when you feel like it, you're not going to see results. Create a workout schedule and stick to it. Consistency over time is what leads to long-term progress. Remember, fitness is a journey. If your routine isn't working, it's time to reassess and make adjustments. Track your progress, eat right, rest well, and stay consistent to see the results you deserve. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and let us know in the comments what changes you're going to make in your routine.